Hello and welcome back to AOS-CX 1013 update on CX Feature Pack. So here we are back again with another new chapter in which we are going to talk about CX Feature Pack configurations.
Here are the steps to configure and install a feature pack. First one is the mode selection. So in global config context, you can use feature pack command to configure required mode. Here is a list of available modes. It should be noted that file-based mode is the default management mode as mentioned here. Now you can go ahead and type the preferred mode you want to select for your feature pack management. If you go for the cloud managed mode, the first thing you have to do is to configure the DNS server. If you are using the default VRF, default keyword should be mentioned, or if out of the band management is used, please enter VRF as MGMT. Then user has to enter in feature pack server context to configure the server details. Here is a list of available commands in feature pack server context. After entering the server context, first you have to set server location using following link. Once again, VRF should be clearly entered by the user. Mentioned location link right here is the LMS web frontend for the CX switch enrollment and should not be confused with the lms.arubanetworks.com, which is a front end for subscription management by the admin. Next, user needs to configure credentials used by the device to contact and authenticate feature pack server. These are the same as the user credentials used to log in to ASP account. After this, user has to update the pool and block of it for each subscription. So if it's a default pool, you can go ahead and mention as default, or if you have a name pool mentioned, you can enter that name. Same goes for the block details as well. Once all the details are entered, switch will trigger an automatic validation with the feature pack server. If user wants to manually validate feature pack server, they can go ahead and do that using feature pack validate command. To view the feature pack status after configuration, please use the show feature pack command, which is covered in troubleshooting section, which we will be talking about next. So far, we have discussed step 2 of installation for cloud managed mode. But if user opts for file-based mode, they have to follow below process. Considering a user has already configured mode as file-based, first user should download the subscription file associated to the switch from LMS and store it on an internal SFTP or TFTP server or on a USB key to further copy it on the switch. After which they can go ahead and use copy TFTP or SFTP command to copy and install the feature pack. There is no need to manually perform any installation process as installation will be automatically triggered once feature pack file is copied to the switch. Once again, if you want to verify the feature pack status, you can use show feature pack command. Here is a preview of configuration summary for each feature pack mode. For file-based mode, no configuration line is needed by default. For cloud mode, details associated to feature pack server are included, and for honor mode, all you need to do is to put the feature pack mode as honor. Now to remove a subscription file from the switch, you can use erase feature pack command. A message will be displayed to confirm your choice, and on entering confirmation, subscription will be erased from your switch.
With this, we'll wind up this chapter and we'll meet again in the next chapter where we'll look into some troubleshooting scenarios associated with the CX Feature Pack management.